I'm Greg Anderson with Caliber Home Loans. The number one thing that I see people making a mistake when they're buying a home is they don't take the time to choose the best real estate agent that's going to represent them. There are a lot of companies out there now where they are trying to make you think all you need is somebody to open the door and you can go in and look at the home. Well, I promise you that is just the tip of the iceberg in a real estate transaction. You want somebody who's going to be representing you, who's going to have your best interest at heart. And this is super, super, super important right now in the Puget Sound area where almost every home has multiple offers. You need to have somebody who is building rapport with the listing side, the seller, the listing agent. You want somebody who works closely with your lender to make sure that the offer that you're making is putting your best foot forward. So if you have any questions about this, we would love to connect you with one of our valued real estate partners.